Welcome to Master 79. In this lesson we tackle an IELTS writing task 1 and build a band 9 model answer step by step. Here is the task. The pie charts show energy sources in Australia in 2008 and predictions for 2030. We must summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Let us read the data. In 2008, coal leads at 39%, oil is second at 32.5%, and gas follows at 22.9%. By 2030, oil rises to 35.5%, gas to 32%, while coal falls to 22.3%. Before writing, find the big picture. Fossil fuels dominate in both years. Coal drops sharply while oil and gas grow. Renewables stay small, though geothermal newly appears. These trends become our overview. Now brainstorm the detail in 2 columns. On the left, 2008 coal is number 1, and the top 3 fuels exceed 94%. On the right, 2030 oil becomes number 1, coal collapses, and geothermal emerges at 4.3%. Plan 4 paragraphs. An introduction that paraphrases the task, an overview with the 2 biggest trends and no figures. Then 2 body paragraphs, one for 2008, one for 2030. Paragraph 1, the introduction. The 2 pie charts compare the proportion of energy generated from 7 sources in Australia in 2008 with the shares forecast for 2030. Paragraph 2, the overview. Overall, fossil fuels, coal, oil and gas, are set to remain overwhelmingly dominant in both years. However, coal's share is projected to fall sharply, whereas oil and gas are expected to rise, and renewable sources stay marginal despite modest growth. Paragraph 3 describes 2008. Coal was the leading source, supplying 39% of the total. Oil ranked second at 32.5%, with gas at 22.9%, so these 3 fuels together made up well over 94%. The rest came from minor sources, others at 4.3%, and solar, wind and hydro barely more than 1% combined. Paragraph 4 gives the 2030 forecast. Oil is expected to become the largest source at 35.5%, narrowly ahead of gas at 32%, while coal is predicted to plunge to just 22.3%. Geothermal, absent before, emerges at 4.3%, and both wind and hydro edge up to 0.9 and 0.7% respectively. Why is this a band 9? It delivers a clear overview and accurate data, a logical 4-paragraph structure, precise vocabulary like plunge and marginal, and a confident mix of past and future tenses. Note band 9 here reflects an internal writing quality assessment against public IELTS descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That is your band 9 walkthrough. Practice the structure, not just the words. If this helped, subscribe to Master 79 for more.